Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting what matters: the syllabus, one dedicated notebook, and 3 colored pens. Skim the syllabus to spot high-weight topics so you prioritize correctly. Once done, set a 25-50-minute timer and do an active first pass through one chapter. As you read, underline definitions and write one-sentence summaries in the margin. This locks understanding. The reason is simple. Early focused exposure converts passive reading into retrievable notes for later review. You now condense what you flagged into one clear page per topic. Prioritize concision so you can review fast. Use one color for definitions, another for formulas, and a third for examples to speed recognition. Write short bullet summaries and convert long paragraphs into 2-4 key points. Draw small diagrams or mnemonic hooks beside each point and note original page numbers so you can return if needed. This organization turns scattered highlights into a reliable study map for spaced repetition. You finish by testing the notes with timed practice questions, using only your condensed page. This reveals gaps quickly. Once you miss something, create a flashcard and slot it into a spaced review plan. Review after 1, 3, and 7 days. If a concept still fails, simplify it into one sentence and teach it aloud to yourself. Explaining shows whether you truly understand. Troubleshooting tip: if confusion persists, trace back to the original paragraph and rewrite that specific point as a single, clear sentence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.